Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are doing a comparison between PHANT AI image and video maker and OpenShot in 2025. So let's get started. You see, if you're trying to create awesome videos for your business without wasting time or money, you've clicked on the right video. Today we're settling the debate. The new AI sensation called PHANT AI Video Maker versus the classic free editor called OpenShot. We want to see which one is the champion for your channel or your business. Now let us start with the features. Yes, actually look at the features. That is four major features. The first one we have is the vibe. You see, the PHANT AI video maker is like an AI assistant. You just describe your idea and it builds the video for you, just like that, like magic. While OpenShot is a little different because it's a digital workshop. You have total control. It's like a free version of your Pro Tools. Yes, it doesn't do the work for you. It doesn't have the magic to do the work for you. So the next we have what is it best for? What is PHANT AI best for? PHANT AI is best for speed and simplicity. That's right, it is perfect for quick social media ads, explainers, and repurposing content. OpenShot, on the other hand, is there for creativity and hands-on control. It is ideal for YouTubers who want precise edits, custom animations, and complex projects. Now, when you look at the next feature, which is the cost, yeah. PHANT AI has a freemium, it's actually a freemium model. So you get a few free videos, then you pay for more AI power. So it's an operating expense. While OpenShot is completely free. It's completely free and open source. So there's zero cost to download and use forever. It's a true asset for your budget. Then the last feature we're going to look at is the learning curve. You see, PHANT AI the learning curve is almost zero. It's practically nothing because all you have to just type. So if you can type, you can make a video. It's as simple. Why OpenShot is a bit of a climb because you need to learn the interface. It is not super hard, but it still takes time. So what's the final score, you might ask? Well, I'll say you should choose PHANT AI if your priority is speed. It's like hiring a fast, efficient assistant. You're paying for convenience. But you can choose OpenShot if your priority is control and cost. It's like building your own workshop. You invest time to save your money. So for most busy entrepreneurs, PHANT AI is a game changer for quick professional looking content. But if you're serious about crafting a unique brand style, OpenShot's power is unbeatable for the price of free. That's the best part. So which team are you on? Team AI Magic or Team Total Control? Let us know in the comments below. If this helped you make a decision, smash that like button and subscribe for more tools that help you grow your business smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one on Twoguysfinance.